Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. So now we are going to the class 4, that is some science subject. So here, yesterday which lesson we have started, that is matter and materials, that is the lesson soil. That's lesson number 10 we have been started. For the 4th class students, that is matter and materials. So soil, here how the soil is formed. Ela soil anedi form ayindi. So with the help of water rocks. So after how many layers are there? There are layers of soil are there. Yesterday we have learned 3 layers: topsoil, subsoil, bedrock. So now we are moving to the types of soil. Layers of soil we have been completed. Now types of soil. How many types of soil we have now? We will be learning this page number 17. So there are mainly 3 types of soil depending on the size. So good morning. So here there are 3 types of soils. So there are mainly 3 types of soil depending on the size, feeling and color of the soil particles. So here how many soils is telling? 3 types of soils. There are 3 types of soils. So how they depend? How they are depending? So how they are depending on size, color and fields. So size and fields and color, how they are depending upon soil particles. So now we will see what are the 3 types of soils: sand, clay, loam. Sand, matti; clay, loam. So what is meant by sand? You know, that is matti. It is made up of pieces that are smaller and gravel but large than clay. It is not good for growing of plants. So matti, it is not using to grow the crops, just it is a sand to build the houses they will use. So it is larger than clay. Banka matti kanna ekkuva than, it is very large, but it is not good for growing crops. So it is made up of pieces that are small, gravel. So but large, so it is larger than clay. It is not good for growing crops, children. And so next we are moving to the clay. Sand completed, clay. So here what is meant by clay? You know, clay is very fine. It is soft and smooth to touch. It is used for making toys and pots. So clay, it is also used for growing crops. Banka matti toti they will do toys, బొమ్మల్ని రెడీ చేస్తారు. తర్వాత కుండల్ని కూడా మనం ఎండాకాలం వస్తే మట్టి కుండలోనే వాటర్ తాగుతాం. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టు ద టాయ్స్ అండ్ పాట్స్. లోమ్ కంటైన్స్ బోత్ శాండ్ అండ్ క్లే. లోమ్ అనేది క్లేను ఇంకా మట్టి రెండు కంబైన్డ్గా ఉంటాయి. సో ద హ్యూమస్ ఆఫ్ లోమ్ మేక్స్ ఇస్ బెస్ట్ సాయిల్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ప్లాంట్స్ గ్రో. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ for growing crops. It is very best loam. So it can trap air and water, with the very important for plants growing. So it is contain of air and water. So main ga it is growing crops is very important loam. So this is the growing crops important. So it is very important to grow the crops. Okay. So sand, clay, loam is the 3 types of soils. So here we have been completed the 3 types of soils now. So now we will move to the formative assessment given. So children, once you are looking here, formative assessment is there. So formative assessment everyone is doing, I am thinking. So I am hoping that everyone is doing it, formative assessment. So here formative assessment is there. So once I will read, you do at home this one: sand, loam, clay. So these 3 experiment you do it, just I will explain you in the in home. Okay, this is your project work you think of and do it. So once just I will explain for you, lightly I will explain you. Just it practical ga naithe cheyalenu because it is online classes. So just I will explain you. Okay, collect small amount of sand, clay and loam. Collect cheyamantunnaru. So here he is asking to collect the sand, loam and clay. So he is asking to collect. Take 3 wide mouthed bottles and beakers with the funnel and show beak. So here ఈ ఒకటి funnels ని తీసుకొని 3 jars ని తీసుకొని put the sand in first sand he is asking, loam in the second and third is clay. Second loam, third is clay he is asking to keep. Pour water and same time. So in the second, so here he is asking to pour the water in 3 and see what happens. So మూడిట్లా వాటర్ పోయమని చెప్తున్నారు. సో యూ డూ ఇట్ అండ్ టెల్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్ హియర్. ఓకే, యూ డూ ఇట్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ద జార్. టేక్ ద జార్స్ అండ్ ఫనల్ అండ్ టేక్ ద శాండ్, లోమ్, క్లే. ఇవి తీసుకొని ఒక జార్లో పెట్టి వాటర్ పోసి ఏమవుతుందో యూ షుడ్ సే ఫర్ మీ ఇన్ ద ఓకే యూ షుడ్ సే ఫర్ మీ. దిస్ ఈజ్ యూ థింక్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ వర్క్. సో సాయిల్ ఎరోషన్. నెక్స్ట్ వీఆర్ మూవింగ్ టు ద soil erosion. What is meant by soil erosion? Now we will see. Okay, so in the previous layer of soils we have been topsoil, subsoil, bedrock. Types of soil: sand, clay, loam. Next about a given formative assessment, that is the how sand, loam will be observe. He is asking to observe, pour in the jar. Okay, so now the topic is soil erosion. Soil erosion means a slow and steady loss of soil layer. So it is a steady loss of soil layers. What is meant by soil erosion means it is a slow and steady loss of soil and layers. The removal of the removing of a fertile topsoil by the action wind and water. With the help of wind and water it is removing. This is known as soil erosion. So here the removal of fertile topsoil by the action of the wind and water is known as soil erosion. Soil erosion increase when we cut down trees, we do not grow crops using the correct method, there are strong winds, it is rain heavy. So how the soil erosion will be increase? ఎలా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుందంటే ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ వి కట్ డౌన్ ట్రీస్. చెట్లని కొట్టేయడం వల్ల, ఎక్కువగా చెట్లు ఉంచకుండా కొట్టేయడం వల్ల వి విల్ కాజ్ ద సాయిల్ ఎరోషన్. వి do not grow. The second one is we do not grow the crops using the correct method. So here correct method lo crops ni penchakapothe we will cause again soil erosion. Next, there are stronger winds when they are very strong winds. Next, fourth one, it rains heavily, ఎక్కువగా వర్షం పడడం వల్ల. So these are the causes increasing the soil erosion. So this is the methods. Here we are showing the what is meant by soil erosion. So in the blackboard I wrote what is the increase of soil erosion. Here increasing, see here how the soil erosion is becoming. Here protecting the soil. So now we will go to the protection of soil. Protecting. ప్రొటెక్ట్ అంటే ఏంటిది? కాపాడుకోవడం. సో ప్రొటెక్టింగ్ అంటే దాన్ని కాపాడుకోవడం. మన సాయిల్ని ఎలా కాపాడుకోవడమో చూద్దాం. There are certain steps we can take to check the soil. There are so many steps. Certain steps is telling to check the soil. More number of trees should be planted to cover the up for the ones that are cut down. So we have to more number of trees. Chala trees ni manam planted. We have to keep more trees to cover the for ones that are cutted down. ఎవరైతే చెట్లను కొట్టేశారో వీటిని కవర్ చేయడానికి ఎక్కువగా చెట్లని పెట్టాలి. To protect the soil erosion. So soil, to protect the soil. Trees or bushes should be planted in open and land. So trees, bushes, whatever the plants are there, we have to keep in the land, open land lo pettali. So that is done does not allow the wind to blow at full force and take away the topsoil. So here what is telling it, the wind does not allow ఇది wind ని ఎక్కువ బ్లో అవ్వకుండా కాపాడుతుందంట. Which one? It will be force and take away the topsoil. Okay, this is the protecting the soil, given 2 points here. So next, to prevent washing of soil on hill slope. Hills slope they have to washing, we have to washing of a soil on the hills slope. The slopes are cut into the terrace or the steps. Farming on such slopes is called terrace farming. How the terrace they are farming to prevent washing of a soil. Washing of a soil on hill slopes. The slopes are cut into terrace or steps. They are being cutting into the terrace or steps forming on such slopes. So forming of such slopes are known as terrace farming. So this is known as terrace farming. Dams and embankments should be built across the river. Across the river they have to build dams and embankments to stop floods and check the soil erosion. To floods ni pedda and soil erosion ni we have to stop. We have to keep embankments and dams. We have to build them. Embankments are walls of rocks and stones on the bank of a river like this. This is they build with the embankments and the stones లాగా కట్టేసి వాటర్ హౌ దే ఎక్కువగా వాటర్ వస్తే డ్యామ్స్ని వదిలిపెడతారు చూడండి, అక్కడెక్కడ పెద్ద పెద్ద రాళ్ళతో కట్టి ఉంటాయి. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఎంబాంక్మెంట్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ డ్యామ్స్, యూ నో వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై డ్యామ్స్, పెద్ద పెద్ద డ్యామ్స్. సో ప్రొటెక్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ సాయిల్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ సాయిల్ కన్వర్జేషన్. సో ప్రొటెక్షన్, మనం ఈ యొక్క సాయిల్ని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తే దీని ప్రాసెస్ని ఏమంటారు? సాయిల్ కన్జర్వేషన్. సాయిల్ కన్జర్వేషన్, దిస్ ప్రాసెస్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద డ్యామ్. సో protection of soil is known as soil conservation. So it is a conservation of a soil. So now we have completed the lesson, children. So everyone is understanding, I am thinking that. So here, children, what you must do, so whatever I am telling the lesson, you don't take easy. Keep your mind rest. మీ యొక్క మైండ్కి పని చెప్పండి. గివ్ యువర్ మైండ్ వర్క్. సో యూర్ డ్యామ్ యు ఆర్ సీయింగ్, కీప్ యువర్ మైండ్ స్ట్రెస్. కొంచెం మీ యొక్క మైండ్కి పని చెప్పండి. డోంట్ టేక్ ఇట్ ఈజీ. సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ బుక్స్, ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ. నేను చెప్పే ఒక లెసన్ మీకు అర్థం కావాలంటే టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ కంపల్సరీగా ఉండాలి. ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ క్లాస్, ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్ ఫర్ యూ. సో ప్లీజ్ టేక్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్. అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, we are starting now summative assessment, page number 72 and 73 ma. So first one is tick the correct option, bit number A. The first one is the outermost layer of the earth crust is called outermost, that is C, soil. So the outermost layer of the earth's crust is called, it is soil, S-O-I-L, soil. The uppermost layer of the soil is called, the top, what is uppermost? Yes, topsoil. So it is topsoil. The right one is topsoil, C. The scientist who studies soil is known as pedologist. Pedologist is known as pedologist. What is the best from the plants grow to the growing of plants? That is also C. Next, loamy soil. Best crops growing ante loamy soil. So this is the again we have been came to the bit number B. Answer the following questions. How soil is formed? How is humus formed? Discuss the three types of soils. What is soil erosion? List the factors that increase soil erosion. How can soil erosion by checked? So now we are moving to the fill in the blanks. Bit number C. Bit number C, fill in the blanks. The first one is animals depend upon plants for food. The upper rocks are soft and porous Sand is made up of pieces that are smaller than gravel. Loam contains both sand and clay. Soil erosion means a slow and steady loss of soil layers. These are the 5 fill in the blanks given here. We have wrote the answer. So here again the fill in the blanks again I will repeat you children once again. So once you also see here I will repeat you for once again to you. So here he given depending on the nature soil particles. Soil can be classified as sand, soil, sandy soil, clay soil, loam soil. Answer with the help of description given below. It is very sticky, gets water. So it is bit number D. Okay. So it is bit number D. Clay soil. The first one is clay soil. స్టిక్కీగా ఉంటుంది ఏంటిది క్లే. And it is used to make the pots, clay soil. Second one is loamy soil. Third one is sand. So these are the 3 soils. Once again I will explain you. So here the lesson has been completed. We are going to the format assessment. It is very sticky and gets waterlogged easily. It is used for making pots and toys. Clay soil. It contains lot of humus that allow the plants to grow. It has 30 to 50 degrees silt, 5.2 degrees, 5.2%, 30 to 50% clay and rest is sand. It is loamy. It is porous and made up of large particles. It is very bad holding water. It is mainly seen in the desert. Sand. These are the 3. That bit number D. So page number 73. So now we have been completed the lesson number matter and materials, soil. So now children, you also once go through. Meer kuda whatever I am giving here blanks, write in the textbook. Do revision also. Revise it. Question answers are there. You can take from the textbook. If you keep your mind work, మీ మైండ్కి వర్క్ చెప్తే ఈజీ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ కూడా మీరు రాయొచ్చు. సో డూ దట్ వన్. So if I complete the class lessons, I'll give one lesson question answers also. Okay, so now you also keep for your mind, and whatever formative assessment I'm giving in the middle of the homework, you do it that one. And now I will leave my class, children. Okay, now I will leave my class. Please keep concentration, don't delay it. And one more thing is, if you don't have book, please take the books. Thank you very much.